After the Bronze Age collapse, city-states, polis rise from the rubble. By the 700s BCE, Athens, Sparta, ideas and trade, discipline and steel. Cue the Persian Wars, early 400s BCE. Tiny Greece versus the Persian Empire. Thermopylae shows heroic last stands. Salamis. Naval brains beat brute force. Victory supercharges a golden age in Athens. Democracy. Messy. Loud. Revolutionary. Theater makes stories public therapy. Socrates. Plato. Aristotle. Art. Stiff to lifelike. The Parthenon. Marble flex. Math and science start asking why, not just how. But success breeds friction. Delian League to Athenian control. Sparta resists. Peloponnesian War drags on. Nobody walks away clean. Plague hits Athens. Trust erodes. Democracies can self-sabotage when fear leads. Enter Macedon. Philip II unites the north. Alexander the Great. Egypt, Persia, India. Greek language and ideas spread. Empire splits after Alexander. Hellenistic world, libraries, labs, cosmopolitan cities. Spark stays alive. Small peninsula reshape the world with debate, drama, design. Democracy crumbles with apathy and demagogues. Balance is survival.